Roedd hi gêm fawr rhwng cynta a Cael bnawn Sul yn Llandarsi gyda'r Met yn gobeithio talu'r pwyth yn ôl yn dilyn i colled i'r elyrch y ddechrau'r tymor. Peniad cynta Siona Jenkins yn taro'r trawst, ond i hail gynnig yn rhoi Abertawe ar y blaen. Doedd pethau ddim yn argoeli'n dda i'r Met yn yr hanner cynta. Pas gelfydd Tia Richardson yn darganfod Stacey John Davies roi ail i Abertawe. Stacey John Davies oedd y nesau sgorio hefyd, rhediad nodweddiadol gan ddyn twyllor amddiffynwr Turner, ac yna i hergydwt i dop yr hwyd yn coroni perfformiad campus i Abertawe.
We're really delighted. Obviously, you know, the challenge between our two sides is immense every season. Cardiff Met are a superb team, you know, so to get a 3-0 win here today at home was brilliant.
Yeah, I mean, every game, you know, it's an achievement for us as a team, but more so as a backline and for the keeper getting a clean sheet, because it means a lot. And also getting on the score sheet, you know, it doesn't happen very often, and when it does, they are special moments. And again, it's happened to have been in a big game like this.
The split comes after Christmas, so it puts us at the moment in a good place, but there's still a few games to go before that comes, so we don't take anything for granted. In fairness to my team, or our team, I think people now need to give the respect. We've gone 3 years unbeaten, you know, and that includes Cardiff Met, who are a fantastic team. So I hope today everybody realises what a good side they are.